Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In our previous lecture, what we were discussing about linear equation, and we ended at linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variables. Now we know what are equations and what are linear equations, as we discussed in our previous lectures. Linear equations are those having degree 1 and they will have solution 1. So in this lecture we will be discussing linear equation in one variable, how to solve these kind of equations and what are the steps involved. In our future lectures we will be discussing about linear equation in two variables, how many methods, because there are different methods to solve linear equation in two variables, whereas linear equation in one variable we can solve by following simple steps. So let us first look at linear equation in one variable. So let us take one example. This is a linear equation because the degree of variable involved is 1. And what is degree? Highest power of the variable. Here variable is x and the power, maximum power is 1. So degree 1, it is linear equation. There are two steps involved. There are two steps we can follow and we can solve this kind of equation. So first step, try to keep or move your variable on left hand side of the equation. It is convenient to take it on left hand side. We can take it on right hand side, but remember or make it your practice to move the variable involved to the left hand side. It is convenient. So first step is keep or move variable, the only variable, because equation is having only one variable. Keep or move variable to left hand side. And how we will move it, we know in our previous lecture we discussed, like simple addition, subtraction, multiplication or division we will be performing. In step 2, all other terms or quantities we will move to right hand side. Simple, we will move variable to left hand side in first step. In second step we will move all other quantities, all other constants or coefficients to the right hand side. So whatever we will be left with, we will call it as solution of that particular equation. Let us go to step number 1. In step number 1, what we will do? We will keep or move our variable to the left hand side. On left hand side, variable term is 4x. On right hand side, minus x. So 4x will be on left hand side, it will be as it is. What we have to do, we have to move other variable, this minus x, to the left hand side. And we know now these two quantities are being subtracted. So when we will move this x to this side, here its sign is minus, here it will be plus. So the equation will become minus 1 as it is. X will be moved here, it will become plus x. Here we are left with 9. Now we will do simple addition or subtraction. Coefficient of x is plus 4. Here coefficient of x is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we will get 5x. This minus 1 will remain as it is, and here 9. Now the second step, move all other terms and quantities to the right hand side. So whatever is with the x, we have to the right hand side. So in step 2, Now this minus this one is being subtracted. We will move it to right hand side. It will become 5x equal to 9 plus 1, and what we will get, 5x equal to 10. Now you see here 5 is being multiplied, and we know when we will move it to the right hand side it will be divided, or we can say we will divide both sides by 5. Same terminologies. Either we are saying that we will move it to right hand side, or we are dividing both sides by 5. So we will move this 5 to the right hand side. It will become x equal to 10 by 5. This 5 is multiplied, here it is divided. Now if we will simplify, we will get x equal to 2. 10 by 5 is 2. So this, the value of x, we will call it as solution of this equation. So now how we will know that this answer is correct or incorrect? We can verify. This is the in equation you can always verify that either your answer is correct or incorrect. Let us verify. Our answer, we have received the solution x equal to 2. Question solution is ended here, but additional thing, for our satisfaction, for our assurance, we can check whether we have received correct answer or no. So let us verify our answer. We were having this equation. Now how we can verify? If we will put this value in this equation, both sides should become equal. So we will be assured that we have received correct answer. X equal to 2. There is, you see, there is only one solution. Linear equation having only one solution. Okay. So let us put this value in this equation for verification. Verifying our answer. Solution. Either it is correct or no. If we will put value of x, this equation will become 4 into 2 minus 1 equal to 9. This minus, and value of x is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 1 equal to 9 minus 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. So you can see the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we are now confirmed we received correct answer. X equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. So all these type of equations we will be solving by following only these two steps. What are those? Keep your variable on left hand side of equation and all other terms to the right hand side of the equation. Now I will give you two simple questions related to that. So I will give you two questions or two same kind of equation to solve. You can send its solution to in my comments, or you can email to me. Let me take an example. So these are two questions. You have to try by yourself, and you will send me your messages in comment box. In our next lecture, at the start of the lecture, I will be discussing the solution of these equations, and we will look at linear equation in two variables. What are the methods and how we can solve linear equation in two variables. So this was all about today's lecture. See you in our lecture. Thank you very much.